Group command allows you to combine multiple entities, lines, faces, etc., into a single object. Group prevents unwanted geometry merging. For example, in a new file, create a cylindrical object, for instance. Now you can see a cylinder-type object, if you create an element like a line connected to this object. If you try to modify the line, you can observe the characteristics of the cylindrical objects also changes. But if you convert the cylindrical object by selecting the whole object and right-click and select Make Group. Now even if you create a line and try to modify, the object in group won't change its parameters. This is the use of group command in SketchUp. Every object created in SketchUp should be in group or components for easier work. Components topic will be covered in next video.